Today I'm going to show you how to make this ice skate using our stocking die, shimmer paper, and ribbon. So let's get started.
You're going to need your stocking die, and you're just going to take that paper, put it over your stocking, and then you're going to make a sandwich with your cutting plates. And you're going to take that whole thing and run it through the Big Shot. And that will give you two stockings to work with, a front and a back. Next, you'll take our Big Shot Textured Impressions Vintage Wallpaper Embossing Folder. You're going to line it up so that most of the stocking is in the embossing folder, and you'll see there's a little piece sticking out here, here, and here, but this particular embossing folder is very forgiving, and that's why I'm using it for this. You're going to need your multi-purpose platform. I'm leaving it open. I'm making a sandwich again with my cutting plates, and this whole thing gets run through the Big Shot again. What you end up with is this nicely textured black stocking. So here's your front and your back. What we're going to do is turn this over, and we're going to put a little piece of sticky strip along the bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to line the whole perimeter of this stocking with sticky strip. You'll notice that I left the top open, and that's so that you can slide something in there. We're going to run our bone folder over this, which will help us remove it more easily. We've provided you with a downloadable template so that you can cut the stocking blade out of your silver glimmer paper. So you can download this. What I've done is I've made a cardboard version of it, and I just lay that over my silver glimmer paper and trace, and then I just cut it out. We're going to remove the sticky strip from the embossed stocking. We're going to line it up over the blades so that we know that they'll be exactly where we want them to be. And then we adhere. So now you know the blade is set. Then you're going to remove the sticky strip from this stocking. And now you're going to sandwich the blade in between your two stockings. And be careful to line them up before you stick them, because sticky strip is not very forgiving. And then just rub them. And that'll give you your stocking. Next, what I would like you to do is take your crocodile, and on the smaller hole, you are going to punch out little holes a half of an inch apart so that you can thread your laces through. I've made a template for myself, and you may want to do the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and punch through. Okay, so now you have all of the holes that you need to thread your laces through. So you're going to take your 1/8 inch white taffeta ribbon that's cut at 24 inches, and you're going to begin to lace this in. Now, what I like to do is pull through and then measure my laces as if you were lacing a real pair of skates. Without pulling, you're going to thread one lace all the way through. And you're going in one side, out the other, making sure that that lace is not getting crimped. Once you have your first lace all the way through, you're going to take the other one and go back in through the same holes in the other direction. And that'll give you that crisscross pattern. It helps if you pull the lace toward you when you do it, and if your ribbon has an angled cut at the end. So you're going to just keep feeding it through and crossing it over. Once you've threaded both of your laces all the way through, you're just going to tie a little bow at the top, and then just trim off your excess. Next, we're going to make our tag, and I took our clear stamp set, You're a Gem, and I've chosen the greeting, Love Life, Live Life. I stamped that on white cardstock with black ink, and then I used our oval punch, and then our scalloped oval punch. I'm going to take my crocodile, and I'm going to punch a hole in this. Once you have your tag hole punched, you're going to hole punch your skate. You're going to take the looped end and you're going to feed it from the back to the front of both the boot and the tag. And then you're going to come around with the knot and you're going to pull. And that will give you your tag. You can decorate your boot by putting a piece of candy or a little thing of coffee or perhaps even a gift card in the center. I hope you enjoyed your visit to Stamp Academy today, and I hope you come back again soon.